How to restore HMA. Pro VPN purchase on iOS. There are cases when you can't use your HMA, even though you purchased an HMA subscription. E.g., if you changed your phone, or you restored from a backup, or you might have deleted and reinstalled HMA app that you've made in-app purchase for. You should be able to restore the purchase you previously made on your iOS device. We have provided you with a few options to do that. To begin, click on Already Purchased. 1. If you have an HMA account and know your username/registered email address and password, you may use the option Login. 2. If you know your license key, please use the option Restore License. 3. If none of the above works for you and you have purchased HMA in Apple iTunes App Store, please use the option Restore from iTunes. Please do note that you will need to be logged into your Apple account with correct Apple ID used for purchase so the HMA app can be successfully restored. Finally, HMA Pro VPN support is always available and happy to assist you. For billing questions regarding to iTunes App Store purchase, we advise you to contact Apple Support directly. Apple Support at https://apple.co/1xheza